Okay, today is Wednesday, March 27th, 2013. I am back to work with oil burners. This time it's my water heater. I opened this up about a month ago. I was trying to change the air cone for the burner. It's a Wayne burner. And I couldn't really get the old one off. But I also noticed that the floor inside the water heater, which is basically like a garbage can cover, it's just a big circle flat. Anyway, it was all rusted, and if it was a brick bottom, it was all deteriorated into little pieces and bits. So I pulled it out by my hand, and then I put some furnace cement in there and smushed it across the bottom. But my plan today is to take this piece of, I think they call this KAOWOOL or something. This is the hardboard piece, which I had ordered, and I have to get my hand in there and determine the diameter of that floor pan, that base. Now what I did when I worked on my furnace, I used little bits of carpeting. I would stick them through and stand them up and get an idea of the height and trim it until I had it what I wanted. And that long strip was actually pretty much the circumference inside the combustion chamber of my furnace. But in this case I just have to get the distance from edge to edge. And then I'll draw a circle on this board, cut it out, and then I will have to slice it into strips like this, and then slide them through the hole one at a time and put it in there and lay it across the bottom. Just my first step is going to be to remove the burner out of there, and as I warn you, it's good to have a professional do this type of work, or unless you're a very good handy person. I'm kind of a jack of all trades. I've worked with cars, I've worked with these burners, I've worked with electronics, lots of computers, all kinds of things. Anyway, there are safety things which I'm not going to go over right here, but I will be taking the motor out first.